Emily Sky is an Australian fitness model, entrepreneur, and mother who has transformed her life and inspired millions. Growing up with a single parent and financial struggles, Sky battled insecurity, depression, and even suicidal thoughts as a teenager. However, her life took a turn for the better when she discovered health and fitness. Sky began her fitness journey by removing negative influences, surrounding herself with positivity, and starting a blog to share her passion for health and wellness. As her knowledge and physique improved, she transitioned into fitness modeling, showcasing her muscular yet feminine physique. Sky's unique, perceptive, and empowering message resonated with her growing audience. In 2017, Forbes named Sky in world's third most powerful fitness influencer. With over 15 million followers across social media platforms, she has built a multi-million-dollar fitness empire. Sky's secret to success lies in her strategic use of Facebook for business and Instagram for branding. Sky's flagship program, Emily Sky FIT, offers comprehensive fitness plans, meal guides, tutorial videos, and a supportive community. Her dedication to providing accurate science-backed information sets her apart in the industry. Beyond fitness, Sky is a loving partner and a mother. Her relationship with Deshan, her boyfriend of 8 years, has been instrumental in her personal growth. Together, they welcomed their first child in 2017 and continue to inspire others with their authentic and relatable content. Emily Sky's journey from insecurity to fitness mogul is a testament to the power of determination, self-love, and sharing one's authentic story. Her mission to empower women and help them achieve their health and fitness goals has made her a true inspiration.